Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to explain to you some examples of how to make money online. So please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and always be up to date. So let's get it started. There are various ways to make money online, and the right method for you depends on your skills, interests, and resources. Here are some popular ways to make money online. 1. Freelancing. If you have skills in areas like writing, graphic design, web development, or marketing, you can offer your services as a freelancer on platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. Clients post projects, and you can bid or offer your services to complete those projects for a fee. 2. Online surveys and microtasks. Some websites pay users for completing online surveys, participating in market research, or completing small tasks like data entry or online research. Websites like Swagbucks, Amazon Mechanical Turk, and Clickworker offer opportunities to earn money through such activities. 3. E-commerce. If you have products to sell, you can set up an online store using platforms like Shopify or Etsy. You can sell physical products, digital goods, or even dropship products without inventory. Effective marketing and product selection are crucial for success in e-commerce. 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale or referral made through your unique affiliate link. You can join affiliate programs of companies like Amazon, ShareASale, or ClickBank and promote their products through your website, blog, or social media. 5. Online teaching and tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject or skill, you can offer online teaching or tutoring services. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or VIP Kid allow you to create and sell online courses or provide one-on-one tutoring sessions. 6. Content creation. If you enjoy creating content, you can start a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast. With a substantial audience, you can monetize your content through advertising, sponsorships, donations, or selling your products or services. 7. Stock trading or cryptocurrency. Engaging in stock trading or investing in cryptocurrencies can potentially generate profits. However, it's important to approach these markets with caution and acquire a good understanding of the risks involved before investing your money. 8. Online coaching or consulting. If you have expertise in a particular field, you can offer coaching or consulting services online. This can be in areas like business, fitness, personal development, or career guidance. Remember, making money online usually requires time, effort, and persistence. It's crucial to research and understand the methods you choose, identify reliable platforms, and develop the necessary skills to increase your chances of success. Beware of online scams and always prioritize your online security and privacy. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.